unleashing humanity from the tyranny of gravity. We are LiftPort. Hey guys, so yesterday we had some really great news, and then we had some more good news this morning. Finally, the string is coming in. We're gonna get the string probably Wednesday, maybe Thursday next week, but we've got images. I'll show you them here in a second. It's shipping. It's pretty cool. The string is about 1/10 of an inch thick, and it's gonna carry 1,400 pounds worth of capacity. So that's pretty awesome, pretty excited about that. It's been tested and tested and tested, and so that's their official certification, 1,450 pounds. We had asked them for a minimum of 1,200 pounds with a safety margin, so that's what we've got. It's a bit heavier than we had anticipated, but it's totally fine. It's 62 pounds, 61.5 pounds, which, think about that, that's 4.5 miles, 7 kilometers, 23,000 feet in just 62 pounds. So that's some pretty serious string. In all honesty, we could have gotten even stronger string, but it would have been substantially more expensive. It would have been lighter. So it's always a trade-off. So those are some of the trade-offs that we've been fighting. So that's good news. What this means, though, is we can finally get into the production of the actual robot. You know, we've been playing with ideas for a long time. We've had many brainstorming sessions, but until we actually had the real material, until we actually had the stuff, we couldn't really do a full-on design. We could make guesses, but guesses aren't knowledge. So I want to remind you that this is the kind of string that we're talking about. It's slightly thicker than this, but this is about 800 or 900 pounds worth of strength. So it's a little bit stronger. What we're getting is quite a bit stronger, but only a little bit thicker. So that's really good. It's a Vectran core material. It's going to get stronger the colder it gets. So that's kind of an important detail. A couple of years ago, when the Mars landers used airbags to land on Mars, they used a Vectran airbag. So that's the kind of material we're talking about, something that could slow the Martian dune buggies from 30,000 miles an hour down to 0. I'd say we can trust that pretty much.
See, at LiftPort, man, we hurdle every obstacle. There's a difference between difficult, hard, and the impossible. Improbable to put an obstacle on what you do. You can't tell me sky's the limit, cause we're going to the moon.